Your first session. So welcome to my channel. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. You can see me. And how about you?
I'm also great. I'm very happy to see you in front of me. So tell me
Yeah,
something about yourself. How is the weather? How are you?
yeah. Thank you for asking. And as you know, my name is Aarti Gupta. Okay, I hail from Hardoi, and but we are staying in Noida for job purpose. Me and my husband both are living here actually, and both are working. And recently, I quit my job, but now we will join again with another job. Yes, on 24th of April, I'll join.
Okay. So
We have to go my hometown, so that is the main thing.
yes. This is also important.
Yeah,
Am I audible?
yes, yes.
Okay. So
I'm audible.
should I introduce myself?
Yeah, of course. Why? Why not?
Okay, so this is Jyoti Mishra. I'm from Pune and I'm working. And if I'm talking about my hobbies, so I love reading books and traveling. And recently I have started my YouTube journey. So I'm enjoying this also. And I also want to improve myself. So I love watching conversational video. So this is my hobbies right now. It changes
Uh,
okay.
It is a good, I didn't mention like what is my hobbies. My hobbies also like listening to music and dancing since childhood.
Very nice.
Yeah, and please give me few. Since childhood, I'm very passionate for dance and listening to music. I love to Punjabi song.
Punjabi
I have
song.
to, yeah, I love to listen Punjabi song. It feel energetic. I feel according my
Yeah, some people very like very much listening songs and dancing. Do you love dancing? Like how to dance? Do you know?
yeah,
Uh,
very well because since childhood I'm very passionate for dance as well. So in every party, if there is, I attend any marriage party or any little bit function like a small function, so I enjoy a lot.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah, in my relatives or my neighbor in my before marriage, my paternal families. So every knows, they know from my dance only.
Okay.
Most of the relatives, yeah. In neighbor, what happened? Neighbor, they know you.
Yes,
But what happens? Neighbors, relatives, friends, they knows about you. Why? Because
because you know
dance,
how to
yeah.
dance, better dance. Okay.
Yeah.
So I need to take class from you. I also want to learn dancing.
We can suggest you like how to dance. That's it. Yeah. And we don't have like too much knowledge
No
if talk
problem.
about.
You can
Yeah.
uh, practice. If you practice, you will become better. Everything
Correct.
depends
And
on
Jyoti, when
practice.
did you start? When did you start your YouTube channel?
It's been only a month, but just because of office, I don't that much consistent. But on my week off, I try to upload some videos. This
Yeah,
is
it will be good for you. I have seen like uh, in this century, we can say like if anybody want to do anything, so we can do.
yes. We have the mobile phone, internet, so everything is possible.
Yeah. Yes, that's true. And like when you start like YouTube channel, as you shared with us, like it has been completed 2 months. Yeah, it is about to
1 month.
2 months. 1 month. Yes. So in your office, there is a necessary English is necessary there. Oh,
Yes, English is important in private sector. So this is my before office. I also want to learn this language, but I was not speaking practice. I was not doing speaking practice regularly. But now I am trying to improve myself. I know grammar rules. I know like if I want to write, I can write a page. But when it comes to speak, I fumble sometimes. So speaking is very important. If you want to improve your speaking skills, so you will have to speak. So I thought like I should start my YouTube journey. So if I created my channel, so I will be speak English. So
What are you doing?
that's the reason. And I suggest you should also start YouTube channel. I will suggest you.
Yeah,
You
Manju
will-
ma'am also. Yeah, she suggested me when she were asking about me. Then I said to her. So she was saying, "Aati, you should start because most of the person they will inspire from you."
Correct, correct.
Because I'm undergraduate, we couldn't complete my graduation, but we are working, we are earning money. So that is the main reason. Most of the person they want to, they want to degree only.
Correct, correct. But if
So
you have knowledge, so you can do everything. Like if you have time, although with office and household chores is not that much easy, I would say it's very tough to manage time. It's not that much easy,
but
but
we have to manage,
but
you
I
know.
would say if you will create a channel, you will improve a lot because you will speak English regularly.
Yeah,
Um,
I'm thinking actually what happened recently when where we will join. So that is the new organization for me, and everything will be new for me.
yes, yes,
So
correct,
first we have to give time there.
correct.
Yeah, so that is the main thing. If I give time uh, for my YouTube channel, so maybe it could be impact
Yes,
for
yes.
my, it could be impact with my workplace. So that is the main thing. So now I'm thinking we will do later,
Yes,
not
yes. You will
late.
first you should settle in this office. You will get some work environment. Everything will settle. Then after 2 to 4 months, you can think. But if this
Yeah.
is a new company, so you should focus on the work.
Yes, dear. Yes, and definitely, I'm thinking like speaking is very good. Without very well about grammar, you have a lot of vocabulary, but if you are unable to speak, so
Everything depends on a speak. If you know
speaking,
grammar, means
yes.
no one going to believe you. Like you know that much rule. No one is going to believe you. If you cannot speak, you will be judged by people.
I know we have little bit knowledge for grammar. We can say past, present, future.
Tense is
I know
very
very well.
important.
Yeah, little
You
bit,
should
but
have idea of tense, phrasal verbs,
yeah,
basic grammar should we know, but not that much deep knowledge of grammar for speaking practice. Speaking comes by speaking. If you will speak
yeah,
regularly, so you will get more confidence. Like I'm also not that much familiar. I had a lot of fear of camera. Earlier I was like, no, I cannot handle this. How can I come to camera? This was impossible for me. But somehow I'm trying, I'm pushing myself. No, you will have to do to reduce your
yeah.
fear.
Correct, correct.
This is the main motive behind this. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we will
Yeah.
discuss a topic important
Okay, okay.
of mobile phone in this time.
Okay, okay. Of course, we will discuss about it. Okay. Um, you want to
Okay.
know about mobile phones? Am I right?
Yes, yes. Use of mobile
How
phone
much
in this time. What do you think? Mobile is important. What is
or
a
not?
good thing, bad thing? You can share your point. I will listen.
Okay. Okay, okay. Of course. We would say, internet is very good for everyone, but everywhere, everything they have, you know, plus point and negative, both. Pros and cons, both. These
Correct.
are every person, if talk about like person, relations, things. So
Every
everywhere you will get these things. Yeah.
balance. Balance is very
Yeah. So, but what we have to do, we have to do balance. How to manage it, how to use it. If in my family, like my husband, what he do? Like whenever he comes, most of the time, obviously he use phone, but he watch news or something else. What he want to see. So he was that. But my side, what I do whenever I free. Okay, so most of the time I watch everything I want to see in English. I watch because when I started, at that time I followed some YouTuber, because at that time we were unable to speak, so they helped me a lot, because Hindi to English translate,
Yes,
because
correct.
I did, to be honest, I did that. But after 6 months I followed like listening too much.
Okay.
When it has been completed maybe 2 year, when I started like YouTube, listening, some conversation videos and ice videos. That videos helped me a lot how to ask question, how to give answer. So that was amazing for me. Starting journey was amazing. But now I watch podcast and English conversation.
Okay. So now
Yes.
focusing.
Maybe now in the evening time, so you can listen Vizel's voice. Yeah.
So now
Because
you
now,
focusing on communication skills.
yes. So what's your office timing, Jyoti?
Today I have off. Otherwise, it's
Yeah, today is Sunday,
10 to 7.
10 to 7. Okay. So what's your opinion about
Mobile.
mobile phones?
Yes, I will
Yeah.
share my opinion as well. So, according to me, as you said, mobile is important, and without mobile phone, this time is very difficult to manage. Like we have to manage a call. Everything is in mobile phone. Like torch, we can. If you need torch, you can use as a torch. If you don't need a watch. It is a watch. You can see the time. Like it has captured a lot of things in a single tool. So,
Yeah.
and if you want to improve yourself, if you want to see some video, you can watch on YouTube, you can just search, you will get a lot of video. So, according to me, everything is important, but balance is needed. Without balance, if you keep watching reels, like in this time, as we see, kids, especially kids who keep watching reels, this is not good for their mental health. This is not good for their mental health. So if you watch mobile phone, if you want to improve something, if you want to learn how to exercise anything, how to make this, so mobile phone is very helpful. But as well, the negative impact also,
Yes.
uh, our attention span is very low. We cannot see even 10 minutes video. We feel bored sometimes. If you uh, keep watching reels and suddenly you want to watch a video, you will feel bored, because reels is only 1 minute especially. And if you want to watch some video, so it is really very tough. Am I right?
There were network problem?
No, no, I can see you. You cannot see me? No, it's
No,
okay.
now it's okay. Yeah, but earlier your video was, post.
Stuck.
There
Okay,
was
okay.
stuck.
It,
Yeah.
it might be some network issue. Now it is okay.
Yeah, it is okay. Now it's okay.
Now you
So,
can. Yes, tell me what you are.
most of the person they want to, when according we are human being, if we see like one reels or two reels, three, so every time what we do, we always scrolling and scrolling. I know we
Correct,
scroll always. We don't stop that and we waste our time there. Yeah.
correct,
If you want to fresh our mind, yeah, if you want to fresh your mind, so definitely you should watch, because
correct,
yeah, in our life everything is very important, but according timely. And earlier what happened, Jyoti, to be honest, like whenever I get up early in the morning, I use phone after getting, but now I don't do it.
very nice. You try to improve yourself. You want to
Yes,
make some new habits.
yes, it is a good for health as well. And whenever
Correct,
we have to get up, so we will get up at that time easily. If I'll, you know wake up and see phones, and see like notification, reels, yeah, anything.
And
What
we
happened?
lost
We
one
waste our
to
time
2 hours.
there.
We lost 1 to 2 hours, and we didn't even
Yeah,
realize we have wasted our times just watching some notifications, which is not good, especially in morning. Morning time is very important for everyone.
yes,
Like if your morning is good, your whole day will be good. So
yes, correct. So we have decided now we will not use my phone in the
okay,
morning.
okay,
Yeah.
it's
And
very
after
good.
like 2 or 3 hours, yeah, like during house shows, then I'll see. It's quite okay, but not after
Morning.
waking.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Correct. So
So when I realized like it is a good for health as well, so I say to God, thank. Yeah, because it is a
correct,
now when realized what thing is good or not. So
correct.
at that time is good.
We are responsible for everything. Like if we care about
Yes,
our health, we will feel good. Like we should care our mental health as well, everything. If our mental health is not good, so we don't feel good. And I really salute
correct.
you. Like in this time you are working, you are managing your homes with your kids, and you are learning. So this is called passionate. You are so passionate.
Yes, yeah, because we have if we want to do something for our life, so we have to take action. If
Correct.
we will think we
Just
will do this type of thing, we will do
thinking doesn't work.
next day, yeah, yeah, next year, so it doesn't work. We
Action
have
is
to take
important.
action. We have to take action. Yes. So that is the main thing. And now, my husband is meticulous person. To be honest, he always uh he always focus. Little things than smaller things. But I'm not that. I do, I don't focus in my how sources they are like which thing is available or not. But my husband, he's a meticulous person.
Wow, very nice.
Rather than me. Yeah.
It's a
So
good.
sometime I'm thinking like we should always like that, but I'm not. But yeah, I'm learning, but not too much dedicated. Yeah.
This is how we
I know very
manage.
well if
If one
yes.
person is very good and the other is some little like something somewhere lacking, so we will manage. This is how we manage our home. No, no one is
Yeah.
perfect. According to me, no one is
Correct.
perfect. We all learning by making mistakes, by practicing. We all learning. Learning
Yeah.
is
And what happened
life.
nowadays, like we have started, new things like phrasal verb or this type of because we can easily speak. Basically, we can speak. I
Correct.
speak easily, no doubt. Okay, what happened when I focused, phrases, verb, or new things, new vocab? So I stuck at that time, and my fluency is
Got stuck
decreased at that
sometimes.
time. I feel, but
This
yeah,
is
when
normal.
I think like normal, we can speak.
This is normal. Like when I even try to speak on a new topic, I sometimes got stuck. I don't have much idea what to say. If I have some idea, like we have discussed some common topic like mobile phone, so we have idea we can speak. But if I pick a new topic, so I also got stuck. I can't speak 10 lines, 15 lines, 1 2 line. Then I got stuck. So this is
Yeah,
normal because
correct.
English is not common for ourselves, right? English is not
Because we know everything in a Hindi, but
Hindi.
for English, we have to take knowledge first. We have
Correct,
to gain something. Then
correct.
we can speak.
In Hindi, if we don't have idea, still we can speak. We still have some knowledge. We can speak for 5 minutes. If we not have
Yeah.
no idea, still you can speak for 5 minutes in Hindi. But for English, sometimes it's difficult. Not for you, but for
For
most of
everyone, we can
people.
say.
Because
Yeah.
of our environment, this is not common language. As we know, in India, English is not common language, but English is important to learn because this is global language.
Yeah.
if you want to
And
go,
now I have seen,
yes, tell me.
because now I'm watching conversation videos and English, most of the, I followed like some foreigner as well, because they are coming, they comes in India and
Yeah,
they are making
on visit,
videos.
yes.
So I follow them because I, we can easily understand to him.
Correct. Earlier it was difficult, but just because of you are
Yeah.
following this route, we watching lots of video, so now we can understand their accent. Otherwise, their accent is very different. British accent, American accent is very different. It's not that much
Yes,
easy
yes.
to understand their language. As
Yeah, it is depend.
we can understand our language. If you want to say, I can understand. But for foreign accent is quite challenging still. But just because you are watching, you understand. That's why you can understand their language, their accent.
Yes, yes, that is the main thing. When I started at that time, it was not, it was not easy for me as
Easy.
well. But now it's easy for me. Whenever I watch, so I started and I watch it and I enjoyed, because how to speak there.
Correct.
And if we go outside, if anybody meet, if you want to like anywhere, in India also, lot of foreigner there, they comes
Comes
every
India.
time. If you go like in Delhi, because we are living in Noida, if we want to talk to them, so we can easily talk to them, I
Correct.
feel.
Correct.
Yeah.
Without knowing English, it was impossible to even connect with them, to know their name, anything. It was not
And what happened,
possible.
Jyoti? I went to Mathura last year. Okay. And I went Iskon temple. So one of there was Russian communities. A lot of people, they are living in India
Yeah,
right
they are
now
living
in
in India.
Mathura.
And they
They do. Yeah, correct. And what happened? I talked to him. So I was when I was talking to him, I was feeling very proudly, literally. I was very confident
correct.
at that time. And after that, I said to my husband, "Oh, let's look." I was, I'm unable to speak to him. I'm able to speak to him.
Able to
So
speak.
yeah, and that moment was very, what I say
Proud
right
moment.
now.
Proud moment.
Yeah. So
Correct.
now we can say we can talk to anyone now.
Yes. We can hold a conversation. You have much knowledge. Like you can speak to anyone. If you want to go, like if you go outside India, still you can speak English. If you had any work, like if you want water, anything, you can talk to them. And easily anyone can understand you. So at least
Yeah.
this type of knowledge should have everyone. If you can, so everybody
But
can learn.
yes,
You
and
are so
they should think about it. We can do that. We
we should
can do everything.
ourselves. We should focus.
Yeah.
If you are working, still you should manage your time for yourself to improve yourself.
Yes.
And
And
if
of
you
course,
are
like I would say,
housewife, still you should learn some new skills to improve your knowledge.
yes, dear. Yes, of course. And now I'm learning, to be honest. Okay. I'm working on my communication skills and my confident, but it is most of the people, like, they knows how to speak. What happened? They fear. They
Correct.
have a fear how to speak.
They
Okay.
have lots
And
of fear, camera phobia. Like, what if I make mistakes? People will judge me. I also had this type of fear. Still, I have, but I'm trying to reduce it day by day.
yeah.
So,
So it will reduce. Don't worry.
yes,
Easily.
thank you so much
Okay.
for your kind words,
Because
and
when you speak continuously, so automatic
you feel
you
confident.
overcome from there.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
everyone learns in this way. If you don't make mistakes, you will not learn anything. If you
Yes.
want to learn anything new, you will make mistakes. It's so common.
And we learn from our mistakes,
Correct.
when we
Mistake.
realized we have done mistake there. So of course we will learn from there.
Correct.
And we will try like next time we will
You will
not do this type
improve.
of things.
will not repeat that same mistakes.
Yeah.
So in
Yes,
this
yes,
way,
correct.
we all get some knowledge by watching ourselves, by watching some other YouTubers video. So we will get knowledge. Anything else
Yeah.
you want to ask, you can ask me.
Okay. What do you like most? Like, what's your favorite things? Like in a food. What's your favorite food, Jyoti?
Foods, Rajma Chawal.
Yeah.
I love
Rajma.
Rajma Chawal.
But you are living in a Pune, am I right?
Yes, yes,
If I'm
correct.
not wrong. So you're basically from Maharashtra or somewhere else?
No, no, I'm not from Pune. I am from Bihar. I live in Pune.
Okay, that's why otherwise I wanted to know from you, like you are living in a Pune, so maybe
Yeah, yeah.
there were another
The
did
food is different in Pune. Yes, correct. But
okay.
if I want to have Rajma Chawal, so there is lots of hotel. So I prefer eating this, and I also make Rajma Chawal in my home. So this is my favorite food because I don't eat
So
non-veg.
do you taste any like Maharashtrian dish? Do you taste?
Yes, I taste, but I don't get much taste on it. I eat like bada pav or something different. This like what do we can say? Misal pav. Yes, misal pav or some dishes are there, but I don't get much taste on it.
Okay.
So I prefer what I love. I went to that hotel.
You're from Bihar, so I would say I love to eat like dal bati,
Litti chokha, dal bati churma.
litti chokha. Yeah, and
Bihar
they
famous.
say that in a last week, maybe not last week, maybe last month, I cooked that, and that was very delicious. And I
Really?
cooked first time at home.
Yeah. Very
Yes,
nice.
I tried. That was first time, but I cooked very delicious. So my son, my husband, and me also like that was amazing. So definitely I would
Cook
cook
again.
again. Yeah,
Yes,
I will cook again that thing.
okay,
Yeah.
very nice.
And now I'm thinking like I cooked like I learned how to cook sambar
Idli sambar.
because South Indian food,
Yeah.
yeah,
I also
South
like
Indian
this
food
type of
also
foods. Idli
very
sambar.
like, yeah.
And one is what do we call? Dosa. I love dosa also.
Today I will in the dinner, okay, I will prepare dosa and sambar.
Very
And
nice.
maybe you were listening some voices before that. So I already, prepared
Okay.
sambar.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is very nice. This is I also
So
like
now,
Indian dish. This is very nice. Like idli sambar, dosa, chutney, especially coconut
yeah.
chutney. I like the most.
And in our
But
south, if talk about this lemon rice, curd rice,
yes, this is famous in South India.
it's
Yes.
yeah,
What is
it's
your
very
favorite
tasty.
place in India?
Actually, I didn't go anywhere till it. I haven't go anywhere till it. Okay.
Okay.
But now we have a plan. We will go somewhere. Yeah. But yeah, in a talk about only UP, I went Lucknow, I went Mathura, and because we are living in Delhi, we are living in a Noida, so Delhi is very close. So I get around. I already get around in Delhi.
Mathura Vrindavan is also very nice place. I have visited there lots of
Yes.
time. This is very nice place. Very peace. You can stay there 2 to 3 days. We went there last year, we went there. This is amazing place. Like you can sit there. You don't need to think anything. We just lost. There is a
But
sand.
now I want to get around, Jyoti. I want to get around like Jammu Kashmir, okay, Ma Vaishno Devi and Tirupati Balaji, South
You have
South place.
visited.
No,
You want to visit.
yeah, I want to visit now.
Yeah, you can visit.
But let's see.
Last year we went Amarnath Yatra. So it is in it is a UT like Jammu
Maybe
Kashmir.
some network issue, Jyoti. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, I'm audible, but sometimes your videos stuck automatic. Maybe some network issue there.
Yeah, might be, but Wi-Fi is working properly. I don't know what is the issue in Zoom Meet. Sometimes this is very common. We have 8 minutes left. Like Zoom allows 40 minutes talk. So we have 8 minutes.
Oh, so it means we have spent here 30 minutes, cross 30 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yeah, they are providing 40 minutes,
Yes,
but we have spent it here cross 30 minutes.
yes, correct.
Oh my God. Because we are talking, so didn't realize like,
Yes, yes. Time spent so easily. Like we don't even realize we have spent more than 30 minutes.
yeah,
What
yes,
is your
that's
favorite
why we
food?
were saying my favorite food,
Yes,
sambar and dosa,
dosa sambar.
masala dosa and sambar. Yeah, I it is very, tasty for me. Like,
South
and
Indian dish.
its taste is very delicious for me.
And this is so simple to make. Like there is no such hustle. Like you have to prepare lots of masala. Nothing. This is so simple to
Yeah.
cook and easy to digest as well. South
Yeah,
Indian dish.
that's why they prefer. That is the main reason, South Indian people, they prefer idli, dosa, sambar, lemon rice, curd rice, because
So
it's
simple.
very easily, yeah. So simple, and it is a good for health as well, actually.
So delicious. When we eat, this is so delicious and so simple. We can prepare in
Yeah.
less than 30 minutes. If you want to make lemon rice, although we need some time for dosa. If you want to make from rice and dal, but otherwise it's is very we can make it very less time. So
Yeah.
other than English, what
But
do you want to learn?
first,
Yes, yes. Tell me, what do you want to say?
actually, South Indian food, also any food, firstly, we have to learn how to cook. After that, that will be easy. Otherwise,
Correct.
not.
I have learned
Yeah.
a lot
You
of
were
things.
asking something.
Yes, I was asking, what do
You
you
were
want
asking
to
something.
learn? I was asking, what do you want to learn after English? If you will improve, like you will understand, like how to speak English,
Oh.
then what do you want to learn? New things.
New thing, driving. How to drive car.
Okay, this is your next bucket list. You want to hit this.
Because
You have.
it might, you can say it might desire what happened. I don't know. Whenever I see, like, feel, we don't have, okay. And I'm very fear person, to be honest. I don't want to ride. I don't want to ride like scooty or bike or cycle. But I want to drive a car. It is
It's
my
safe.
desire. I don't
Car is very safe.
know.
So that's why you want to learn car. You will have to
Yeah,
take
I
classes.
told, I said to my husband, one day I'll I'll drive car.
Yes, yes, you
So
can, of
he
course.
told,
You will
yeah.
learn English, you
So
will grow. Everything is possible.
he supports me. Actually, he always support me, and he always say, Arti, you should learn bike or scooty as well, how to ride it. But I said to him, no, 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 I will not ride it.
I will ride car
I'm very
only.
scared.
I will ride car only.
Yeah.
Wow, very
Yes,
nice.
yes. I will drive car. I told to him many times. Yes.
If
But
I
one
want,
day, first,
yes, yes, tell me.
yeah, go ahead, Jyoti. Sorry, because maybe some disturbance, maybe some network issue.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, I'm getting your voice properly. Now it's okay.
Yes, yes, your voice is proper coming. My last question was because we have only 3 minutes left. So my last question
Yeah,
was, if I want to visit UP, so what place you will suggest me? You should visit this place at least.
Ayodhya.
Ayodhya, Ram Mandir.
Yes, because it's a, for Hindu religions, it's a great opportunity for everyone. So
Correct,
definitely we will suggest to all, you know,
correct. This is so
Not
amazing
like
temple. So big
yeah,
temple.
so big and first time, you know, I heard since childhood Ram Mandir, but didn't didn't build as
Correct. It took so
before
much
earlier,
time.
but now it's built.
Correct.
Yeah, it's so long time. So now every person we would say every Hindu like where like once or twice depend on person, but once we should go there.
Go there at least one time
Okay?
in your life. You should visit
Yeah,
there. Correct. I totally
visit
agree
there.
with your points, Aarti. And you
Mm.
have talked so confidently. I would say we will talk again. Okay, whenever we get time, we
Yeah,
will connect.
whenever
Yes,
definitely we will connect with each other. Yeah,
we will connect again. We will record again. And thank you so much for having here for giving your time to my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon.
and
Bye
thank
bye.
you for joining me as well, dear. Bye bye.
It was my pleasure. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.